We are the first bolt securing partner to offer a full lifetime warranty. From the moment you install your Nord-Lock wedge-locking washers correctly, you can have peace of mind that your bolted joints will never rotate loose unintentionally during their entire intended life cycle. With rigorous testing and certification, top quality materials, and many decades of bolting expertise, we expect nothing less than the best-in-class performance from our wedge-locking washers. And with our lifetime warranty, you can too. Nord-Lock Lifetime Warranty. It's our promise of the highest quality, as well as swift support if needed.